Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, urgent buyers of the sale. I did sell ticker DEO, Diageo. I took my little bit of money and ran, didn't make a lot in profit, made money over the dividends of me holding it for the long term. But I got mine and ran, man. It's probably going to shoot up how everything else does whenever I sell it. But you know, anyway, I think he took the tariffs off, but one reason was for the ADR fees, what they charge. Like when you do get a dividend, well, I can't show you this, I don't have this, but they take fees out just for you trading it, being that it's an out of state or out of country stock. But the number one reason was because of the tariffs thing. Just in case he put tariffs back on them, this thing gonna come back down. Number two reason is this generation is drinking less. I read numerous articles on that. You know, they choose marijuana over it, and they're drinking less for that reason and for lifestyle changes. And number three is a lot of articles coming out saying how drinking leads to cancer. That's gonna be another reason why they're not going to slow down too. And that they were thinking about putting, you know, this product, you know, whatever liquor you're drinking, that alcohol in general can lead to cancer. They're gonna put a warning on like the bottles, you know, next to the drink responsibly, like stamp or whatever it is they got. They're talking about putting those on them too. So those are my reasons why I got rid of it, man. Another thing to show you, 52-week high is 116.69, low 84.52. I'm gonna show you in the last year what this stock was doing, trying to go back up, but see, in the last 5 years, this what it is. So instead of me having my money in this, I can put something in like Walmart or Amazon, something that's gonna have a way better return and outcome and results in general. So that's why I got out of it. We can get the trade in, ticker WEN. It's a green day, so not a whole lot going on. I got out of Brown-Forman's too last week. I took my money and ran. Like I said, I'm done with them liquor stocks, and the food industry is next. Like this one here got down to 772. Going to get you a piece of this. Whitney's got a 52-week high of $16.20. Probably gonna never see that again. But the dividend yield is strong. This is another one I'm gonna make my X out of. I'm done with that. Gonna narrow down my REITs and BDCs also. TCPC brought 5 shares of this. Put a buy limit order in at 476. Made a new 52-week low. 20.8% dividend yield. You know, Ready Capital down to 190 today. It's another BDC. They getting handled. So, like I said, I'm gonna trade out and start to operate leaner in those two to thin my portfolio up. Reason being, man, get off my channel, off my page. Sorry. Reason being, just where the economy going, man. They got massive layoffs. Companies not gonna have the results and revenue they've been having. Got inflation and all that. They're gonna hike the prices to keep up with stuff. And just read the article, but seen the headline about Chipotle about to raise prices again, and people not gonna be able to afford to go out and eat, man. OXLC 40 cents a share month. I don't load up on this. I buy 5 shares a day in my other portfolio. Reason this falling is because they're going to reduce the dividend to 20 cents a share a month. You're still going to have a 20% dividend yield and pay out every month. But you know how people do. They're going to sell off. So I'm going to buy it because they ain't going to do nothing but jump back in later. Unless you're going to run to option ETFs and lose NAV, and depends on which ones you get, they'll start running back in. It'll increase the volume. Visa, I went in, went and brought some of this. I've traded in Cash App where I can do a buy limit order on a fractional price, on a market price, fractional price, on a fractional share, fraction of a share. So I put in, if y'all have Cash App, $318, $322, and $322.55. IBM, I just went in and put one in at $279 for some of this here. AI play 52-week high is 324.90. Anyway, did that in my Cash App. Also, SRL. And I went in at 461, get some of that monthly dividend yield. We got a 7.7% yield right about now. Never seen it this low. It's selling off, which is a good thing. You can get it cheaper. That's why I'm headed at my Cash App portfolio. I'm just invest in that, get that 7.7% annual yield at 25 cents a share, and just sit back and relax. Hood, I also went and got some of this. This shot up from what it was last week when it sold off. Bull also up a little bit. If you want to, put your thing on $1 day recurring, get you $2 worth, whatever. Didn't buy any of Bull a day. But so far went in 2105. I mean, it's definitely one here to have. I see not loading up on it, on nothing. NFLX, just enjoy the green days, man. When it's red, you got some money. When it brought some of this, got down to 82.30. Got NFLY 1062. If I'm not mistaken, I got this on recurring investment, $1 a day. So that's gonna do its thing on this. Help it come down. KLIP. I know NFLY it pays every week. KLIP 60 to 68 cents a share every month. Anytime it's under 31 bucks, I go nibble at it. When it's under 30, I go buy full shares. ABR, Arbor Realty Trust. Anytime it's under 8 bucks, going to get a little bit. Also, when it got some AXP in my Cash App. See, I like Cash App. Like I said, I can put a buy limit order on a fractional share. I went in at $360.50 when it got some of this. AXP got a 52-week high of $387.49. MA MasterCard. Man, that's where I'm going to be headed out for as far as the financials. I'm going to just be doing credit card companies. Put a buy limit order at $535 on the fractional share. And COF. Need to get my weekly pays. My weekly pays I'm going to buy every week regardless. It's going to be Walmart. Gonna be Hood, Weeble, SoFi, these credit card companies, and Amazon. I want to sell for a single stock. Capital One got down to 222.56 or 221.86, but that's gonna be another one I'm gonna be buying. That's basically everything on my list, man. I did go and get, YMAX. Got $3 worth of that. Right now I'm gonna put this on recurring investments. Buy recurring every day, $2 a day. Buying power. Continue. Gonna use margin. Skip back up payment. So I ain't got to watch that. Let that take out. Knock it down by itself. Especially on green days. I ain't got to worry about buying it. And I'm gonna put it on YMAG. I'm skeptical because I'm so close to my average cost. I'm at $13.79, so I can manage this one. But let's go check our traps. We can get done with this trade for the day. PSEC Prospect Capital had good earnings today, yesterday. See, they up 6.7%. I'm at 279, at 278. That's why I haven't been buying any in this portfolio, so because I'm so close to my average cost. SLRC, I like this at 15 and under. Pay 10 cents a share every month. I did exit ticker 8M and Taro midstream. I did get out of that. Why Morgan Stanley down? Anytime they pull back, I just go get $2 worth. See, I'm just gonna keep it and let that run. Morgan Stanley, one of the big banks. Market cap $283 billion. Intel down, but they're gonna be trading that up and down anyway. That's a long-term play. Walmart down 1.64% today. Any discount you can get on Walmart, take it. This don't do nothing but go up. SCHD been performing well. We got Clip. Got YBIT, got that on $2 a day recurring. $1.25 a day recurring, got that on there. Go get another dollar. But knocking down that average cost, reinvesting the dividends slowly. OXLC, we did that. RPT, I noticed this one was coming down. Nice dividend yield below my average cost. Like to let that come down some more, really. And that's it for today, man. Like I said, Green Days cashing up, paying back my Let me show you the one I sold, AM and Tiro midstream. Why did I sell it? This actually a buy and hold stock, doesn't increase its dividend. I got a lot of gas stocks, man, oil stocks. Only got a 4.56% yield. That's why I actually sold it. My margin is 5.05%. So, and I got a bunch of EPDs and Enbridge and all kind of other stuff. So got in my other portfolio. The Enbridge, I made my exit out of this one. So I got a lot of it in my other portfolio, 5.3% yield. Need something a little stronger than that. So that's basically why I got out. But it's gonna get some growth out of this too. Not a bad start to hold, man. But like I said, I got another position in another portfolio. I got too many stuff going on in this one. I want this one to be a nice, basically about cash flow / dividend growth stocks. Like I say, they got a 5% yield. Nothing wrong with that. I just got another position in my Cash App, so that's why I sold it. But this is definitely one you can put on a dollar day recurring, man, and get your dividends. I know me, I can't retire and live off 5.35%. That's why I'm headed retiring early. I'm 43. I want my portfolios in the next 2 years at the max to be. I know this one, I'm probably going to leave some margin on this one. I got the most margin on this one. I got like 14 grand percent margin, 14,000 on my Webull. That'll be paid off in a couple months. Even if I don't, I got one play I want to sell if it go back up, ARR, but that's gonna be clean by June. With Webull, my Webull portfolio, that margin should be gone by, like I say, June, July at the latest. Even if I don't pay it, just let the dividends pay it back. I do still buy OXLC. And I got like a $22,000 margin on my Charles Schwab, but that pays that back every month. So not worrying about that neither. So but nah, that's it, man. Just wanna get that thing ready so I can retire early, man. That's it. Cause you don't know where this market is heading. Right now my real estate is going good. Everything is fully rented. But with all these layoffs going on, you never know, man. Your tenants gonna come and get laid off, and it's gonna be hard to find tenants again because people don't have jobs. I can't rent a room to a robot. So that's what I'm getting ready for. All the moves I'm making now with my future business moves, I'm looking to make it like AI proof. So when the new future comes, I'm gonna just live off my dividends and relax and chill, man. But signing off, go get your money.